What if I told you that ranking #1 on Google today takes less time than making a cup of coffee? With AI, it's possible, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it step by step. Hey Riders, I'm your name, and welcome back to the SEO Rider, where I help you dominate search the smart way. If you want to learn how to use AI tools for SEO, from finding golden keywords to writing content that actually ranks, then hit that like button and buckle up. Let's start with keyword research, the foundation of any great SEO strategy. And yes, you can do this in under 5 minutes. Here's how I do it. I open up ChatGPT or a tool like Keywords Everywhere or Ubersuggest. Then I drop in a prompt like, give me 10 low competition keywords for a blog about AI and SEO targeting beginners. Instantly, I get a list of golden keywords. But I go one step further. I ask ChatGPT to group those keywords by search intent. Are people just looking for info, or are they ready to buy? That's SEO gold right there. Pro tip: use long-tail keywords and question-based queries. That's where the low competition and high click-through rates hide. Got your keywords? Now let's write the blog. This is where AI really flexes its muscles. I open up ChatGPT or a content tool like SurferSEO, NeuronWriter, or Phrase. Then I prompt it. Write a 1,000-word SEO optimized blog post on how to use AI for keyword research in 2025 using an engaging tone and SEO best practices. Instantly, I get a solid draft, but I don't stop there. I add headings H1, H2, even H3S to break things up. I ask AI to suggest relevant internal links, so my readers stick around. And for images, I prompt list 3 free image ideas that would match this blog topic. Smash that like button if you just realized AI just saved you hours of work. Blog's written. Now let's make sure it's fully optimized. AI can audit your content in seconds. I ask ChatGPT to audit my blog post for SEO check keyword usage, title tag, meta description, headers, and readability. Tools like SurferSEO or Phrase can also score your content for keyword density and structure. Bonus tip: try asking AI which on-page SEO elements are missing from this article. You'll be shocked how smart it is. Once optimized, let's publish and get it indexed fast. Here's my checklist. Upload to WordPress, add an optimized title tag and meta description, and yes, I let AI write those too. Then submit to Google Search Console and share on Twitter, Reddit, and Quora to get those first clicks rolling in. Speed tip: ask ChatGPT, write a Reddit post promoting this blog without sounding spammy. It works, trust me. Want to go beyond just one post? AI can help you build topical authority, the #1 strategy to dominate an entire niche. I prompt create a 10-article content cluster plan around AI SEO tools with internal linking suggestions. Google loves authority, and AI makes building it faster than ever. So there you have it, from keyword research to publishing and auditing, AI can now do 90% of the SEO heavy lifting for you. If you want the exact prompts I used in this video, just comment AI SEO Toolkit below, and I'll send you the full cheat sheet. Subscribe to the SEO Rider for weekly AI plus SEO tips that actually work in 2025.